we have got something so awesome for the Lexus today. Taking a little bit of a break from the Evo. It's currently at Evo Dynamics, getting some stuff patched up, and I believe my tuning date might be tomorrow, but because of that fuel pulse damper issue, I need to get a new one, so it might be a couple more days. First things first though, this Evo did my garage so dirty, and if I'm gonna work on this guy today, I need to clean this sucker up. I can deal with the clutteriness, as long as the floor is not disgusting. I've got some amazing stuff that's been in the works from NTX Glow for, honestly, months now. You guys know I love memes, and I think this is a... I'm not sure if you guys are actually ready for this. A huge thanks to Zach at NTX Glow. I'm gonna link his Instagram and his stuff in the description of this video. He made these for me. Funny, in the note that he wrote me, he was like, yo, I'm sorry it took me so long to make them for you. And also, you don't think you have to post about them or make a video about them. Bruh, these are the tightest things I think I've ever done to any car. Are y'all ready for this? I have been waiting on these. It's taken a while. He did a lot of R&D on trying to make these taillights, and hopefully it comes out. It's oh my god, dude. Now the other one, you might be thinking to yourself, are they different? Like what do you mean the other one? Don't you just want to see one? No, they're different. All right, so these are spider taillights that he basically rebuilt for me. This is sick. First, I've got to get these off. These actually are custom taillights as well. Somebody made these, I don't know which previous owner did, but they took taillights off of one of the generations, I can't even remember, and they put like a weird little material inside the lights. It looks cool from a distance, but it actually is kind of crappy. So, and the taillights are kind of cracking a little bit, and honestly, like, I just want some nice LED taillights. You guys know I love wild, and this is, it's there. It's there. Let's go ahead and move this car. Let's get it face that way so we can have that booty out here and have that nice lighting. Well, that didn't go as planned at all. That looks terrible. Oh my god. I have OCD and that kills me. But that should give you guys a little, I'm gonna have to take that off. That should give you guys a little hint. Twitter saw these lights first a few months ago. They've been in the works for a while. I don't want you guys to wait any longer. Let me show you these taillights. Yes, I had custom taillights made to say extra thick. Hate me, boys. NTX Glow hit me up a long time ago, and he was like, yo, I can make you lots of different types of taillights. Part Shop Max type stuff, and he's like, you know, I want to make you something that's original. I want to make you something that's cool. And I was like, let's just send it. The original design was just going to be something like this, where the LEDs were like this, kind of a Part Shop Glow type look. But I was like, let's make it even better. Let's make the reverse lights say extra thick. Let's get these puppies installed and let's get these babies off of here. I don't know if you guys remember this, but the guy that helped me wire this car up for the first time, the way you have to open the trunk is a secret method. I've got a secret button. You have to have your foot somewhere in order to open it. You have to press that, but your foot has to be somewhere somewhere in the car, it just senses your feet somewhere. Before we go, I do want to let you know that there's some things in this car that are still not wired up correctly, and that's actually one of the reasons I went to Johnny's shop the other day, that big, nice, that super nice place that I showed you guys like 3 vlogs ago. He is actually going to finish the wiring for me on this car. He's going to make the tachometer work. The big bummer right now is my blinkers don't work. For some reason, they just stopped working, which is sketch, because I don't want to drive the car around without blinkers, but the blinkers don't work. I think reverse works, so I'm praying that I can show you guys the extra thick today without it like actually being illuminated. But I'm just letting you guys know not everything works. The blinkers actually have been custom made, and I'll show you guys that later because he sent me a video of that. Oh my god. I don't know where all these stickers came from. Like, they're just chilling and they're dirty. They're gross. Thankfully, these taillights are ridiculously easy to remove. All you gotta do is unhook this. And you know what's really sick? The previous owner has it held in by I think 1 or 2. Oh wait, no, never mind. I put more screws in because they didn't. I'm pretty sure there's only like four to six different nuts that hold these in. So it's a stupid easy install. This car literally smells like an 80-year-old in here. I swear, it's disgusting. Ooh, baby. Oh, that's literally the opposite of what I wanted to happen. Oh. Sick, dude. Close this mess. Oh man, you should go step on the brakes for me. That's annoying, which is good. Oh my god. Come here. Damn it, so my reverse doesn't work. Damn. The wiring sucks and the extra thick doesn't light up, and I'm so upset about it, but the taillights at least light up, and that's tight. I want to wait until it's a little darker outside so you guys can get the full effect of it, but here comes the tails, boys. Oh, right now they look kind of dumb just because they're not, like, right now they look pretty dumb because they're not lit up. But, babe, will you go step on the brakes for me? Whenever the lights are on, it looks tight. Yes! That's so much better. That's so much better. So I'll show you guys the way these blinkers are supposed to work. There's actually a module that makes them go like that. They're really sick. I'm so incredibly upset that I can't show you guys it right now on the car, but I'll get it fixed as soon as I can. Once this whole thing comes on, it's going to be so sick. I gotta say, it looks really dumb when the lights are off, so I'm always gonna have the lights on. I feel the same way though about like Parts Shop Glow lights. I think Parts Shop Glow looks stupid whenever the lights are not on, so wow, that's gonna be so damn cool. Before we do anything else today, I have something to show you. Do you have the shirts and the hats? My hands are a little dirty, so I don't want to touch anything, but we've got a new drop coming very soon here in the next couple weeks. Check this out. A nice white crispy hat, but let me see that logo. Oh, boom, that's so tight, dude.
You like that?
Oh, that's so sick. That is so sick. Those hats are gonna be coming, and then let's show them the shirts. These shirts are gonna be wild, and I know these are gonna sell out immediately, so if you guys want one of these, you better start saving now. If you think you might not be able to get one, start saving right now, because you're gonna want one. Ready? Turn around. Oh my god, it turned out so good. It's got the prism effect. I really wanted, so it says oversteer is fun on a big ass shirt. How sick is that? And we've also got some lanyards which are on the way. We haven't done lanyards yet. That's been a very popular request. I don't have decals or anything like that. It's gonna be a really small drop. I'm gonna stop doing like seasons with like a bunch of stuff. We're gonna try and focus on like smaller drops once every 1 or 2 months. Make yourself look extra thick by getting yourself some good old 5-3 merch, and we donate 10% to help people with anxiety, depression, people that struggle with suicide and stuff like that. So it's a good cause, good shirts. One big bummer is, so the lights are on right now, obviously. You can see the lights are on. And for some reason, this car's wiring is super bunk. The taillights themselves should be on right now. I think the problem is the taillights have confused themselves into thinking that brakes mean on, and there's no like really bright brake lights. So the brake lights are really dim. Tomorrow I'm gonna be dropping this car off. I just talked to Johnny, so we'll get everything buttoned up tomorrow. But anyways, I'm gonna wait until later at night to show you guys this, just because it does look it looks so tight. Like aside from the extra, I am I have car parts coming. What do you stop? Yeah, so these also, I'm gonna sell these I'm for cheap. Like these are custom taillights for the SC. These are pretty tight. I'll probably sell them for like $100. And I got a nice box right there for you. I can button it up and make it nice. But I just keep looking at these lights. It looks so funny. I love it so much.
8:01 p.m.
What's this?
It's a sticker that they sent.
Really?
He sent it to me, yeah.
That's so fun.
I know. A few hours have passed. I'm now older, wiser, and I want to show you guys the taillights at night. I'm gonna get them fixed tomorrow. They look so cool.
Ready?
Yeah. Oh my gosh. Those are so tight. Wow. Those are perfect. Babe, these are so cool.
Right there.
Unreal.
Oh, I like that.
That's so sweet.
That's so cool. I want to see the extra thick though.
I know.
Soon enough.
So tomorrow, and like I said, I'm gonna drop it off tomorrow. And then get fixed then. Give it to me one more time. God, that is so sick. That taillight design is mean. I know some of you guys might think it's goofy, but I love being different. There's so much to say about that. I think it looks clean as hell when the lights are on, but you know, whenever it's stopped, like I know I'm probably gonna get ragged because of this, I ruined the OEM look and this and that. Don't care. It's not your car, it's mine. Plus it's already been ugly for years anyways, just what all you guys have said, so it doesn't matter. But thank you guys so much for watching. A huge shout out to NTX Glow. Major props to you. These are awesome, awesome taillights. I hope to get them actually finished tomorrow so you guys can see the full effect and actually see them work. I can't wait. It's so special. Like it makes this car just seem so special. Look how aggressive this damn thing looks, dude. Anybody who's be sleeping on this car, y'all dumb as beans, bro. Thank you guys for watching. It's already hot. I've been outside for 2 minutes and I'm sweating. Peace out. Be victorious.